What's goody, niggas? Look how much people on. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Like, hope everyone enjoyed the content, like, consistency. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, you sexy ass nigga. Hopefully, they don't say this is a good ass angle. Like, let me know if y'all fuck with the angle. Low key. Yo, sit back and relax. Yo, we're going to be asking you motherfuckers, like, would they have a gay son or a thought daughter? If we're going to be asking some more questions. Let's get into it. Okay. Yo. This, like, these niggas just be on this. Like, these niggas be on this. I don't be saying, no, bro. Okay. Yo. Yo, gang. Bro, you ugly dreadheaded ass nigga, bitch. Yo.
Hey, bro, guess what, bro?
What up? What happened, gang?
You already got roasted, right?
Yeah. That shit's a big ass
Think
thing.
about moving down there, bro.
Hey, I won't lie to you, my nigga. Nigga, that's expensive, my nigga. I ain't gonna hold you.
No cat. That shit dirty down there.
Like, yeah, on some real shit, nigga, to a nigga. Like, think about that shit, bro. Like, my nigga. Nigga,
That shit dirty.
it's not that. I won't say it's, like, it's dirty and good at the same time, but, my nigga, like, it's really expensive, my nigga. I mean, expensive. But, hey, could I ask you something, gang?
What up?
What's the craziest thing you did in your lifetime before? Craziest.
Alright, the crazy. This song.
Oh, shit.
I don't wanna lie, like, I was walking down the street one time, right?
Mm-hmm.
And shit. And then this one nigga took a nigga car. We hopped in that bitch, got the fuck on.
Y'all nigga took a stoley?
Yeah.
Swear to God, y'all took a stoley. Nigga, what y'all do? Like, did y'all just let that bitch run out of gas?
Man, he crashed that bitch to the garage. I got the fuck out.
Nigga, nigga, I don't blame you. What the fuck?
That nigga went to jail. I took off running, bro. I don't care about none of that.
Hey, nigga to a nigga, you did the right shit. I do the same shit.
I'm not about to go to jail because that nigga.
Nigga, you did the right thing. Hey, that nigga even talked down on you. Nigga, you did the right. I do the same shit. I'm running.
Right?
Did I?
Took that bitch, got the fuck out.
Like, you told me nigga just, I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm gone.
That bitch don't crash that bitch.
Ain't none of that. But stay up. Like, okay, we on this shit. Yo. Ugly ass nigga, but people looking ass nigga. What the fuck did these niggas be having going on, G? Yo. What up, gang? Oh, what you, like, could a nigga did, oh, whoa. You got 4K Trey in your tag, G? Like, you know that's some dick ride. Like, come on, that's some dick ride. Like, yo. Like, do niggas just like, bitch, just stay on the call. You like, what up?
What's wrong with your face?
No, not wrong with my face. Like, no, not wrong. What's wrong?
Oh, you are.
Hey, can I ask you something? What's the craziest thing you did in your life? I mean, craziest.
That bitch is cool.
What? Yo. Where y'all from?
Mexican.
Oh, y'all from Mexican? Yo. This would be my first time. Now I want that like how he looking at me. I did not want to say nothing. Like, but come on, yo. Like, do y'all niggas just be keeping y'all Androids on and shit? Like, I know you got an Android, but still, my nigga. Flip phone ass nigga. Yo. Okay, I want to ask you nigga in the middle. Nigga in the middle. What's the craziest thing you did in your life? Yeah. I know you did something. I know all y'all niggas did something before. I know. Nigga.
I remember that.
Nigga, you not black no more after that. You not black. Nigga, that's white nigga shit. That's white nigga shit. What about you, nigga in the beanie? What about the nigga in the beanie? Who get the most bitches? Fuck it. Who get the most bitches?
Yeah, you guess.
What the craziest thing you did before? Nigga, I know you did something. I know, like, a fucking bitch in the class, like, fucking bitch in the bathroom. I know you did something.
Dang, I did a lot of crazy shit.
Like, I know y'all niggas did something. I know y'all niggas did something. I know
That wasn't the craziest thing I did. Alright, like, crazy thing I did, I started shit out.
you.
No, listen. I wait. I was thinking about accident. One day I
Nigga, you got more balls than me. My dad would beat the fuck out of me. My dad would beat my ass. Nah, you got it, bruh. Nah, hey, I get you got it, bruh. Hey, you a bigger freak than me. I'm not sucking no whole toes. A nigga can't pay me to suck toes. You can't pay me to suck toes. You can't pay me to suck toes. I'm not sucking toes. Yo. And now what it look like. And now what it look like. So basically asked a group of niggas like where they suck toes, they were saying it depends. So, can I ask y'all a question? What's the craziest thing y'all did before y'all never told y'all mom? Swear to God. Swear to God. How was it? Like, how was it? Like, bad? Good? Is it better than dick, though? Okay. What about you?
Okay, somebody never told my mother. I never told her, I got fucked and took the plane to get fucking in.
Yo, wow. Okay, fuck, I said one. So I never. Hey, don't get on my ass about this. I fucked the thought in my mom's bed before. And hey, now what it look like. Hey, but I watched the sheets. Am I good? I watched the sheets, though. I watched the sheets. But at the end of the day, we want the same thing, though. Like, we didn't want nothing, you feel me? Like, you know. Okay. We chillin'. Like, okay, so y'all monkey ass niggas chill. Okay, y'all niggas chill. I fuck with it. Okay. Fuck with it. Fuck with you monkey niggas. Damn, nigga, give a nigga a chance. I was like, oh shit. I was like, nigga, damn. Like, damn, I was like, nigga, I didn't even say nothing. Why you on my ass? Like, nigga, damn. John, okay? Yo, John. Come on, John. Damn, John, why you tripping? Yo. Oh, shit. Okay, brother to a brother. Okay, I asked every nigga, what's the craziest thing you did before? I mean, craziest. For a YouTube video. Come on, bruh. Yeah, blowing out your face. Mm-hmm.
I kissed this girl. She said, you.
Fuck that bitch, nigga. Oh, nigga. Nigga. You, hey, brother to a brother. Hey, no. That's not an L. That's not an L. Fuck that bitch. Nah. Real shit. If a bitch gonna say L, the bitch ain't worth it. And the next bitch. Fuck that bitch. Hey, at the end of the day, look. At the end of the day, look. On some real shit. Hey, you a brave ass nigga to say that. But at the end of the day, fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Like, what the fuck? Bro, some real shit. Some of these bitches, they be asking their daddy to get their money in cars and shit. They not shit. Like, yo, stay up, my nigga. Like, some of the bitches be doing that shit. What? Yo? Like, yo? You bitches better come the fuck down. Bitch better pipe the fuck down. Yo, we just need to find a baddie. We just need to find a baddie, that's it. What's up, Unc?
What's up, Unc?
What up? Hey, what you on, gang? What you on?
Nah, nigga just chilling, kicking it. You know the vibe.
Okay. I asked every nigga this. What's the craziest thing you did before? Craziest.
I shot this nigga one time in his ass.
You shot a nigga? Why? This nigga got up. Like, okay, I'll be thugging. I'm thugging.
Ran down on that nigga, shot him in the ass.
What did he do? What did he do?
He was talking some gang shit, you feel me?
Okay.
About how a nigga ran off with him, took some shit from him, but the nigga ain't do shit. Nigga was trying to frame a nigga.
Okay, you got a good reason. Framing a nigga is crazy. On some real shit, that's crazy. Framing is crazy. On some real shit. But stay on, Unc. Hey, don't get on my ass, Chad, chill out. Yo. Nigga, they give me a chance, you little dick ass nigga. Okay. So, based on X, every nigga this. What's the craziest thing you did before?
What you mean, like?
Girl, you know what I mean. You know what I mean.
Okay.
You cute. I know you did something.
It just get posted, cover my face. Okay. Me and my ex, we smashed in the alley cat restaurant.
Swear to God.
The arcade restaurant.
I ain't gonna lie, I would smash the fuck out of you. I don't blame that nigga. I don't. Like, you not, hey, shit. Hey, I'm gonna keep it 100. Hey, if you were dating my homie, hey, I'm not L homie. I would try to holler at you too. I'm sorry.
I appreciate the honesty.
Shit, hey, you not ugly. You a fine ass girl. I ain't gonna lie. You cute as fuck. I ain't gonna lie.
I appreciate that, bro.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Shit, I'm 19. Shit. Hey, I'll drive, babe. Babe, I'll drive.
But y'all in Oklahoma.
Shit, I'm from Jacksonville. That's none. That's none. Hey. Shit, that's not far. Yo, hit me up. I'ma add you. Hit me up. Yo! Okay, that's all we got today. Yo, this your boy Shy Reacts 1. Here with another YouTube video. Like, so, bro, anyone know how to rizz up a girl? If you don't know how to rizz up a girl, nigga, it's so easy to rizz up a girl. That ass. Nothing that hard. You just talk to a fucking person. Nigga, I am the Riz, nigga. The fuck? Masuto malata malete. Yo, this is a Birdshot Reaction. If you like this video,
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.